Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to save Google Docs files. So when you're in your Google Docs document, as you type, you can see up here it is automatically saved to your Google Drive. So it is always being saved. You don't have to worry about that. Every time you write something new, that document is being saved, so you won't lose it. But if you want to save it to your computer, all you have to do is go to the top left hand side, click on File, and scroll down till you get to Download. And here you have different options to save it on your computer in different forms. So you can save it as Microsoft Word, PDF, Open Document, and different formats. Choose the one you want, click on it, and that will download onto your computer. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.